must have spoke this shit up because last week I said that I wasn't that I was surprised that ain't nobody asked me to do Sasuke and Naruto, and then boom, as soon as I say that shit, somebody asked me to do it. But so today I got some Air Force Ones I'm doing, but they only want Naruto and Sasuke on the swoosh. So I've never done that. No, I feel like this will be nice and simple. It won't take that long. It'll be nice and quick. And I want to see how long it's gonna take me. It sounds pretty fun, even though I fucking hate Sasuke. I hate fucking Sasuke. Like he's the most like privileged character, gifted powers. People just handed him shit out. Anyways, uh, let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla back.